Hello there. Yeah, we are back again. So, hope you guys are good. I'm good, as you can see. Yeah. So we'll be starting from the next number, which is number 4 on today's on the series 10 ways to live a happier and more productive life. So we'll be starting from number 4 today. Stay tuned. Number 4, close or open files. So according to research, the average person has roughly 150 uncompleted tasks that they think about daily. These files are like open tabs on your computer. They not only slow your operating system, but they also distract you from being productive. The more open files you have, the less you get done. So instead of multitasking, setting a schedule to get your work done and organizing the tasks in order of priority not only increases productivity, but also helps you get your life in order, leading to a more fulfilled life. Number 5, stay fit. Physical activity is not only necessary to stay fit, but it's also a great way to cope with stress. When you work out, your body reacts by releasing chemicals that make you feel good about yourself, while also suppressing tension and anxiety inducing hormones. Exercise also decreases the activity of the hormones, which induce anxiety and stress, therefore, making you feel better and eventually happy. So, creating time to exercise helps you to be more energized, fit, and generally happy. Number 6, get quality sleep. Lack of quality sleep can have many consequences to your overall health. You get restless and easily irritable when you haven't had a proper night's rest. So, this can be resolved when you get quality sleep. Experts recommend 7 to 8 hours as sufficient for adults. However, this may vary depending on your body type. Some people may be okay with an hour less, while others an hour extra. So get quality sleep. See ya in my next video. So from the next one, we'll be starting with number 7. So stay tuned for more ways to live a happier and fulfilled life. A bientôt!